Greetings, MBAP 516 students. This is Dr. Jaros with a video explanation for the readings associated with the COOT book, the Classics of Organizational Theory book, the very first assignment out of that book. And you'll see I'm wearing two pairs of glasses today because I've messed up my regular reading glasses, so this is the only way I can do it. All right, so we have three readings. The first reading is by Henry Fayol. It's called General Principles of Management. And in this article, what Fayol is trying to do, essentially, is explain some basic principles by which he believes that modern, large, complex organizations should be managed by. These principles cover the behavior of managers, their interactions with their employees, how to organize and utilize financial, human, and technological resources. Fayol believes that he has come up with a set of principles that will make managers more effective and therefore organizations more effective. So your task with this reading is to make sure you understand what these principles are and can also critically analyze them to determine whether you believe that they are still relevant in today's modern, globalized digital economy. The second reading, reading number 16, is by Blau and Scott, and it's called The Concept of Formal Organization. This reading might strike many of you as highly abstract and theoretical, and basically that's because it is. Blau and Scott are interested in establishing a foundation for being able to conduct scientific studies of organizational behavior. They believe that up until this point in time, management theory and theories about organizations have been essentially unscientific. That is, they lack the basic principles that would allow for them to be tested and either confirmed or refuted the way scientific hypotheses are tested and either confirmed or refuted in other fields. And in order to do that, they believe that we have to start at the definitional level. In other words, we have to be clear on what we mean by basic terms like, what an organization is before we can establish falsifiable hypotheses. So the key goal in terms of understanding this reading is trying to tease out exactly what the definitional terms are that Blau and Scott believe are important, and then being able to articulate them. Last but not least, we have the reading by Mintzberg, structure in five S's. Mintzberg takes a much more practical approach to understanding the nature of modern complex organizations, compared with Blau and Scott. Mintzberg identifies what he believes is a typology of different kinds of firms, such as the simple structure, the adhocracy, and the professional and machine bureaucracies. So your task in reading Mintzberg's article is to be able to identify the defining characteristics of different kinds of organizations and also be able to explain when Mintzberg believes each type of organization, each type of structural configuration is most appropriate, given the nature of the industry the firm is in, the type of environment, competitive environment it faces, etc.